Hi, can you briefly introduce yourself and your company?
Hi, my name is Nemanja Markovic and I'm Sales Manager and CEO Assistant of Future Fashion by Zakeke Group. As Zakeke Group, we developed a Zakeke platform. That is a platform that has the main goal to give the best possible visual commerce solution. So our platform is based on four main pillars. The first one is visual product customization. So that means the possibility to apply logos, pictures, text on flat surfaces, and the main goal is to prepare the ready-to-print files, for instance, for printing industry, sportswear industry, and the main pain is here to solve the issue of operation streaming, giving directly the PDF files for the prints directly from the platform. The second solution is a 3D configurator. 3D configurator is there is a possibility to do all the customization based on a 3D real-time model. As you can see here, for instance, this is a Valentino bag, one of our customers. Here at the beginning I have the 3D model. I can change all the materials, the skin color, I can add logos, linings, and once I finish my customization, the order goes directly inside the ERP system if we speak about in-store solution, or directly inside the e-commerce chart if we speak about e-commerce solution. Here the main goal is to follow a made-to-order flow. In this case, their customer, they customize the bag and the brand sells before they produce. The next solution is based on a 3D creation of a static 3D version. In this case, we are speaking about possibility in the platform to upload directly the 3D model or request 3D models. We can create 3D models based on pictures, physical item if we speak about, for instance, bags or shoes, or we can optimize CAD design files, especially in the furniture sector. Once we upload our 3D file here, the platform gives me automatically the QR code that I can embed inside my digital catalog, for instance, or inside my fair, so I can save logistic cost of moving samples. I can use those QR codes, those models, for my agents, so it's also for me a tool to sell. It's not just for my e-commerce. And lastly but not the least, the platform gives you automatically an iframe that you can embed directly inside an e-commerce page. As you can see here, this brand, they embedded their best 3 sellers inside the homepage. And this 3D model we can also see directly inside the product page. So that was the third pillar. The last pillar is based on virtual try-on. We have virtual try-on for headwear, makeup, necklace, watches, and soon it will be ready for shoes and jewelry. So if I click here, I activate the virtual try-on, and we will have the possibility to try those glasses on me, as you can see. So that was an overview of our solution. So 2D product customization for printing, 3D configurator, 3D DAM plus AR viewer, and last, virtual try-on, both for configurator and both for 3D viewer.
Yes, thank you so much. So those solutions are very, very impressive, but what would you say is the main problem your company is trying to solve?
As the Zakeke Group, we work with 200 different industries. So we work with fashion, we work with furniture, we work with printing, and each industry has its own problem. The printing industry, they have problems to create ready-to-print file, because if I allow my customer to do the fully customization, each time I will have to do manually all the templates for the printing. In this case, we provide you automatically printing files. So this is one problem. Another problem, for instance, for the fashion industry, it's engagement. Because as we know, nowadays Gen Z is a new ICP for bigger brand, also connected to the gaming. So fashion brands like Giorgio Armani, Valentino, Colmar, Boggi, they are trying to find a way to present better their products and also in more engaging way. So in this case, providing 3D models or from them, or from them starting to design directly in 3D helps also to streamline and give bigger engagement. Furniture sector, the problem is based on the production side, because as we know, furniture sector, there is a lot of variations, a lot of colors. They have 3D files, but they are CAD files. So we optimize those files and give them the possibility to present a huge catalog virtually while producing a low number of samples. So they sell before they produce, they can do the pre-sale phase, and they also don't have to move a big number of products for the fairs or trade shows. And also using the digital catalog, for instance, they can use their agents to sell through our platform showing their products. Yeah. So that was, let's say, three main problems that we face.
Thank you. So what brings your company to VivaTech this year?
Sorry?
What brings your company to VivaTech this year?
Actually, our company is the third year that we are here, and we are here as a startup because we are invited from the Italian trade agency as a host here. So for us being at VivaTech, it's a couple of years ago we were here for looking for investments, but now we are here to make a big network. We also met a lot of big tech players, different fields, just to exchange our opinions on how maybe the fashion industry or furniture industry will develop, and also to, of course, to find new customers like big brands, but also to establish some strategic partnerships to grow together and make the 3D and AR a standard of visualization. That's something we hope it will happen soon.
Yeah, all very good reasons. My next question is, at iStaging, we specialize in creating digital twins and virtual showrooms. How do you see your virtual solutions complementing ours?
I see it really possible and realistic, also due to our experience, previous experience. Like, we did not realize virtual showrooms, we realized the assets that will be in the virtual showroom. We did a project for Giorgio Armani like 3-4 years ago with another partner. They did a 360-degree scanning of their store, so it was, let's say, a realistic replication of an existing environment. It's something, let's say, in the middle of what you do, because you can create them, let's say, from that they are not existing. And in those stores was possible just by clicking maybe on the wall to see our 3D model. So I think this is an extra step that our collaboration could bring.
All right, thank you. My next question is, both of our companies are aiming to enhance the customer experience through virtual reality, but have you received any feedback from customers about your solutions?
Which type of feedback? What do you mean?
Have you received any kind of feedback from customers about how your solutions impacted the shopping experience?
You mean bad and good, or only bad?
No, like both.
Okay, if we speak about the better, like the good side, the solution gives the possibility to the customer, first of all, to see the goods in 3D, so they can plug and play. They can see them in augmented reality. They can virtually try on. So the first feedback is better engagement. So the increase of the time spent on the web page. We did an internal analysis of the clients, and the time spent on the web page, thanks to the 3D, it's plus 65%. The second one is increasing conversions. So if you present your web page not just with 2D images, but also in 3D, AR, or possibility to customize them in 2D or even 3D, you can increase your sales by 94%. Another one, it's lowering your returns, because if I can see, for instance, this eyewear, I can try on, there is a low possibility that I will do a return. If we speak about, let's say, to be honest, about, let's say, bad feedback, it's something more about the concept of virtuality. Even in store for Valentino, we realize we have 5-6 different 3D configurator projects, but their customers, they always like to touch the leather. So maybe next to our configurator, there will be, I don't know, a space where you can touch all the leathers of the good, because like the virtual, it's we see it, but also our customer are an add-on to the reality. Like if we speak about products that even are high cost of selling, there will be always need of the physical item, even a piece of leather. So that's.
So what you're saying is that like even with those online solutions available, people will still like to be able to have like a bit of a physical connection to
For
the
sure.
product. Yeah. All right. Thank you. So another important question for us is that data privacy and security are big concerns for both of our products. So how has your company been working to address those issues?
Okay, that's a really important issue. We, considering that we are a self-service platform, so let's say we have 3% of clients that we do custom projects, like bigger customers. All the other customers, when they subscribe to our platform, it's like, let's say, so subscribing to a tool that you can use for free, maybe like a Dropbox. So like the privacy of their 3D model remains there. And there are all the clauses that they can, of course, we have to respect the privacy, and they have the property of the 3D models in this case. And of course, with bigger clients, we sign a lot of NDA because then there is a bigger volume of security and privacy in this case.
All right, thank you. My last question for you is, what upcoming projects and products are you excited about?
Upcoming projects?
Yeah, upcoming projects from maybe yourself or just like in the general world.
What I'm, let's say, starting to appreciate, because like me as a person working here more than 2 years, last year and this year I'm seeing people being more, let's say, how to say, they know the value of 3D and those technologies. So we, as Zakeke, we are developing like 5 features each month. So we are trying to develop more features possible, give the customer a self-service product. So I'm excited knowing that we have 10,000 customers, where 99% of them I never see, I never talk to them, because it's something that we are trying to replicate as a vision, 3D for everyone. So it's not like you have to prepare the 3D for your customer. We see the 3D as a standard, so we will always try to give you, just to give a number, our highest subscription fee for self-service, it's 150 euro per month. So with 1,000, 2,000 euro per year maximum, you can create all of this if you have a bit of knowledge and if you read our guidelines. So we are trying to give the best possible experience. So I'm excited about the 3D being for everyone.
All right, that's it for me. Thank you so much.
Thank you.